Hello. Our topic for today is algebraic expression and equation. Algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, and mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division symbols. The keyword for this, it doesn't contain an equal sign. Example of algebraic expression is 4y minus 5 6a plus b is another example, or even just a single number like 8 is a algebraic expression. Ang isa naman, yung algebraic equation naman, ang definition niya, it is a statement that two expressions are equal connected by an equal sign. It contains an equal sign. Ito ang keyword, it contains an equal sign. Example niya, 5x plus 2 equals 12. Or another sample is 3a minus b is equals 8. Or 8 is equals 8. Ito ang sinasabi na algebraic equation, may equal sign. So magbibigay tayo ng mga sample ang sasagutan natin. Ito yung sample number 1 na sasagutan natin. Sa number 1, sa letter A sample, ang sinasabi dyan is 2k plus 9 plus 5k plus 6. Since ang expression na to is walang equal sign, they consider as algebraic expression. Ito is algebraic expression. Dahil wala siyang equal sign, kaya siya is algebraic expression. Ngayon, simplify natin, sagutan natin. Pagkukumbine natin ang pareho na may variables at yung walang variables, pagkukumbine natin. So, 2k plus 5k is 7k. Plus positive 9 plus 6 is 15. Ito na yung answer niya. Is the simplified answer for the algebraic expression of this statement. So, sa letter B, ganun pa rin, algebraic expression pa rin siya. Since wala siyang equal sign, that's why consider ang expression na to, it was an algebraic expression. So, simplify natin uli. 1/5 y plus, since ang 1/5 y, wala naman siyang kaparehong variables sa natitirang sa expression, so retain lang natin siya. So, ang magkaparehong variables, ang simplify natin. Positive 3x minus 2x is positive x. So, ito ang answer ng, simplified answer ng expression na to. So, letter C. Sa letter C, since wala ring equal sign, algebraic expression pa rin. So, distribute natin muna yung 3 sa nasa parenthesis. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 4, positive 12. So, na-remove na natin yung parenthesis. Then, rewrite natin itong remaining ng expression. Plus 2x minus 7. So, gagawin natin dito, i-add natin, pagkasamahin natin ang dalawang ito na pareho ng variables. So, negative 3 plus 2x is negative x. Tapos, yun namang whole number niya, positive 12 minus 7 is plus 5. So, this is the simplified answer for this expression. Ito naman yung next problem natin. Ang letter A is 4m minus 6 is equal to 6 plus 2m. Since may equal sign siya, ang algebraic na to is algebraic equation. So, by adding or using addition method of equality, pwede tayo mag-introduce dito na ganito ang magiging solusyon. 4m minus 6 using addition method of equality, mag-add tayo ng 6 dito. Then sa equal sign, equals 6, mag-a-add din tayo ng 6. Kasi pag nag-add tayo rito, nag-add din tayo doon, parang wala tayong ginalaw sa equation. Plus 2m. So, ito makakancel to. Dahil negative 6 plus 6, makakancel to. That is 0. So, 4m is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 2m. Okay. Then, ganun pa rin. Using addition property of equality, 4m, magkukuha tayo dito ng plus ng negative 2m. Mag-add tayo ng negative 2m is equals to 12 plus 2m plus negative 2m. Negative 2m. So, yung 2m na to at saka 2m na to makakancel. Ito naman, since plus times na negative, magiging minus 2m, magiging 2m na lang siya. Dahil ito magiging 4m minus 2m is 2m. Then, equals 12. So, dali natin dito para may continue. 2m is equals 12. Then, divide natin both side by 2. Cancelled. And then this one cancelled. Magiging 6 to, ito magiging 1. So, ang m natin is equal to 6. Answer. So, letter B. Letter B naman, ganun din. 6W, pwede naman natin gawin ganito para hindi na tayo masyadong malito. Any number, transfer mo sa kabilang side, ang sign niya is magiging opposite. Kung positive siya rito, pag nilipat sa kabila ng equal sign is magiging negative. So, rewrite natin muna itong unang value. 6W plus dililipat natin itong 4W sa kabila, hindi siya magiging plus nga pala, magiging siyang minus na, minus. Positive siya, pag nilipat mo sa kabila siya ng equal sign, magiging minus 4W. So, ito namang negative 12, since ang 10, positive, ililipat mo sa kabila, magiging minus 10. So, 6W minus 4W, 2W is equals to negative 12 minus 10, negative 22. Since divide natin sa both side by 2, cancelled, then ito cancelled, magiging 11. So, W natin, W is equals to negative 11. Answer. So, ito naman, bago natin simplify, let's simplify first this side. So, 3J plus 6 is equals to negative 3 times 2J is negative 6J. Negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Okay. Ngayon, i-apply natin uli ang pagta-transpose natin bawat isa. Yung 3J, retain natin. Then, yung negative 6J, pag nilipatan sa kabila ng equal sign, magiging plus 6J. Then, yung negative 6, retain natin dahil hindi naman siya ginalaw, nandun siya sa kabila. Ito namang positive 6, ililipat sa kabila, magiging negative 6. So, 3J plus 6J is 9J. Is equals to negative 6 minus 6 is negative 12. So, dali natin dito ulit 9J is equals to negative 12. Then, divided by 9 both side, makakancel natin ng 9. J is equals to negative 12 over 9. Then simplify natin to. Ano ba yung negative 12 over 9? Both divisible by 3. So magiging answer nito is negative 4 by dividing both side by 3, magiging 4 over 3. Or j is equals to, since ilang 3 meron sa 4, meron isa. Ano remainder niya? 1. Since negative yan, remainder 1 and the denominator is 3. So, ito ang answer. Paano nakuha to? Ganito. 4 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is 1. So, remainder natin is 1. So, pag ikinuha natin to, inigit sa mixed number, magiging, ang value niya is 1, yung quotient. Tapos, ang remainder is 1 over the denominator na divisor is 3. So, iyan yun. Ito yung dividend quotient, and this one is the remainder. And this one is the divisor.